Hey everyone, it's Jana Verbakel Leach. I'm so excited for you to join me on this tour of a beautiful two-story family home nestled into the west edge of the desirable Oakridge neighborhood. Now this style of home is actually quite rare to come by here. Oftentimes you'll find smaller one-floor or side-split homes, and I tend to find that families outgrow those homes after just a few years. Here you'll have tons of space to grow for many years to come. Once spring is here, this backyard will come alive with the custom landscaping, beautiful stonework, and the in-ground pool that you and your family can enjoy.